Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a pure royal icing for cake decoration and for cake filling, for roses, or a beautiful cake like this. And the video of how to make this Bible cake will be out soon. Let's get started for today's video. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. They are really few and I will be listing them in my description box below. So this one I am displaying, I'm going to be using it for a 2 large cake. So in case if you are not doing 2 cakes, or you only need it for filling, or you need it for roses, so you might not really go for this 2 kilo. You might not really finish everything that you are seeing here. You do a little portions, it will be sufficient for you. So you can go for 2 egg whites, and once you keep adding the icing sugar, and once you see that the thickness is okay, know that is perfectly okay. So that is that. And again, and to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family, so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be forced to be notified. And we upload this one again. And on this channel, we do a whole lot of things. We are into cooking, we are into baking, we are into decorating of cake, we are into snacks, just name it. If you can name it, consider it done. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the description box below, and we'll reach out to you. And the good part of this royal icing, guys, you can add any color of your choice, and at the end result is great. And I will be displaying just a little portion of it. So in case if you are interested of how to trim a Bible cake, how to trim and decorate it, I believe the next video you are going to be seeing on this channel might be that. So I will allow you to watch this video to the end. Please feel free to share, help me to share the video, subscribe if you have not done so, and leave your comment below. I love you all. Thank you. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.